Hello everyone, this is Apostle. This week we are going to build a concrete side table. We are going to build a simple mold for concrete casting and cast concrete in it. And also we are going to get creative with gluing up the legs. Stay tuned. First I'll start preparing the mold. It's gonna be a simple mold. The walls are going to be around 3 cm thick and I'll cut extra pieces that will be placed on each corners. The pieces are quite small and they have to be exactly 30 degrees on both sides. Otherwise, I will run into some trouble during the assembly. Before I applied the silicone caulk to the corners, I cleaned the mold thoroughly and applied some Vaseline. Paste wax might work better, but I don't have it in hand at the moment, so I'll stick with Vaseline. I see people using these ball-headed metal tools to round over the silicone, but I'm not really fan of them. I have way better results using this old pen that has rounded rubber head. By the way, if you are enjoying the video so far and learned something, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. It really motivates me to make these videos. I will use this oak slab for the legs. This piece is in my workshop for 6-7 months, so it should be quite acclimated, although this piece has a big twist. I want the legs to be 3 cm wide, and this piece is only 3.4 cm thick, so I don't have so much material to play with. I'll cut each piece slightly over 3 cm and plane them individually. It is going to be more work, but I will waste minimum material. I'll use this self-centering dowel jig for the joinery. This €30 dowel inject definitely works, but I wouldn't want to use it if I need to build more than 2 tables. Although the alternative would be Festool domino. I might need to talk to my bank before I start to build a project that requires domino. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I'll see you in the next one.